Hi YouTube, the week trading session hasn't even started and I am already 15% up. Today we're going to be reviewing three things. We're going to be reviewing the position that I entered on Bitcoin on Friday. I'm going to show you why I'm buying Tesla, and I'm going to show you why I'm still on hold on IPOE and NIO. Welcome to my channel, and remember, everything that I'm showing you is for educational purposes. I am not giving you financial advice. My goal is to teach you how to read the market so that you can make your own decisions. Now, let's jump into the analysis of Bitcoin. So here we have Bitcoin for today. You can see as the Bitcoin has reached our target of 44 to 45,000, which is the one that we were planning on Friday. I'm going to show you a little bit of how I was managing this position and a little bit of a recap of the analysis that I was doing on Friday. If you want to go to the full analysis, go to this video. Now in this one, I'm going to redo some of the analysis from Friday. So we were looking at long price target of 44,000, which is the one that we were looking at the daily chart, and then in the 1 hour chart we were waiting for price to give us the setup of breaking up above the moving averages, testing, and then going up again. This is what happened on Friday, and on Friday I ended up entering my position right here. I put my stop loss a little bit longer, or like I took more risk than the one that I usually take, because it was the weekend, and during the weekend many things can happen. Not all the markets are open during the weekend, and sometimes you can have some spikes, so I didn't want to be taken out of my position unless I was sure that that was going to happen. So I analyzed the trade and I saw we had some very nice support here, so I put my stop loss a little below that support, and my target again was the 45,000 that we have here. What happened during the weekend? And remember that Bitcoin trades all weekend, doesn't stop. Like, it went up and then it went down my moving averages, and if it was during the trading week, I must have certainly gotten out of my trade here, and then I would have gotten in my trade here. But this is Saturday and Sunday. I am not paying attention to the market during the weekend, so that is why I like to put stop losses that are a little bit wider than I usually do. In any case, if you were trading this and then you were seeing, okay, here I have again the break up, goes down, test it, I have confirmation that is happening, and then you could enter the trade right here again. Bitcoin is very explosive. Like, we have these huge movements that, how much is this movement? Let's see, we have in a single bar we had 12% increase. It's impossible to predict when that is going to happen, but what is possible to predict are targets. That is why I entered my trade here, target was around here, stop loss was around here, and then this morning when I saw what was happening, I was tightening my stop loss. I move it right here, and then the morning all this happened and the price reached our target. Now, there are, for me, two ways in which you can manage this position, especially in an asset like Bitcoin that is so explosive. First one, you could just take your entire position out when it reaches the target. Like, we had a target of 44 to 45,000. If it reaches the target, then you exit the position right here. In this one, since I am not seeing any signs of the price going down, what I'm doing is that, and I did it before this morning video, I took out half of my position in the price here just to lock in some gains, and then I'm going to leave the rest of my position and I'm going to manage it with my stop loss. So I'm going to keep moving my stop loss with the moving averages. If it continues to go up, my stop loss right now is here, then it's going to move here, then it's going to move here, and I'm always going to be locking in some gains. Okay, so very interesting position, the one that we have in Bitcoin. We already made 15% on this trade. We are already out of half of the position. And for the other part, I am also already looking again. I enter here and my stop loss is already here. So Tesla, again, I'm entering my position right now. So this is the move, the price action that we were having during the last week is extremely choppy. You can see that the market didn't know what was doing. They have not made a clear decision or where they want to go, but we're always looking to the same pattern. We're looking for price to go up, to go down, to test it, make sure that we have confirmation that that one is support, and then we go up and enter the trade right here. So we had been waiting for an opportunity all the previous week, didn't happen, but I think we have this opportunity today. Look, price has gone up, it went down to test it, and then it has started to go up. So I'm going to enter my position as soon as I complete this video. I'm going to be entering my position somewhere around the 870 to 800 area. And something very interesting that I noticed, and it's also why I'm getting for myself confirmation that this is what is going to happen, is that when the market opened in the pre-market in New York, you see that price opened here, and then you see this long wick here. This long wick is saying that price tried to go down, but then people were not believing that this was going down. This was not the price. So it opened here, went all the way down, and it closed right here. When it closed right here, it is because the market is very bullish, and most likely this is a nice bullish setup and a really nice place to enter the trade. So I'm going to be entering the trade here. My targets on this one are going to be, so again, I'm drawing my Fibonacci. You can see, you can see how this area acted as support, and my target is going to be around the 940 area. This target is going to be giving us a good 7 to 8%, and our risk, if we put stop below the moving average, is less than half of that, which is what you should always be targeting to manage your risk. Your risk should not be never equal to what you can gain. Your risk should always be, I'd say, 30 to 50% at max of what you are expecting to win. Finally, let's look quickly at two other that we were following. So this one is Sophie. I like the setup that we're getting here. Price is still not breaking this important moving average here. So this line is still holding. We're getting a nice support around here, and we're still very bullish on this one. So you can see, like, look, this again Fibonacci retracements. You are seeing price bouncing out of this level. Now the only thing that we need is confirmation that price is going to go up above these ones, test it, and then we enter the position. Still waiting on this one. I do think that the price of this one is very likely to go up, and I'm going to be following on this one. NIO, same thing is happening. We keep with the consolidation that we were seeing on the previous week. You can see now even here, the consolidation is starting to narrow. Still bullish on this one, but we do not have an entry point. You see, same is happening the opposite of what we're expecting. Instead of price going up, test it, and then goes up, it is going to our resistance level, and then it is going down. This is not a good sign. I'm still quite bullish on this one, but I need confirmation that this is going to happen. So that's it, guys. Very interesting start of the week today. I'm really happy that my Bitcoin position on Friday has already given me a hit on the start of the week. I'm already up 15%. Tesla, I'm going to be buying today. The other two, IPO and NIO, I'm still on hold on this one, but I'm very bullish. I keep taking an eye on that one. If, again, you have any comments, you have any questions, if there is any stock that you want me to do the technical analysis and share it with you, please leave your comments below. And also, don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications to get information on all the videos that I'm posting. Thank you. Bye.